recording.
Okay.
And I'm going to fire it up for you.
I press the brake pedal.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't want to. Oh, it thinks that the key is not in the car. There we go. There we go. And we're going to put you into active for you as well. So you'll see now up there.
Yeah.
You should be able to see. That's it. There we go. So what it does is basically you've got green, red, blue at the top. When it gets to blue, you change up. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. So
okay,
let's go for it. Yeah, we'll pop it into drive here. There we go. Okay. All clear my side, so you can just give it a little bit of gas. Perfect. Grab a second gear. Set up to third. Yeah, just to get a feel for the. This is a bit sharp, but the gears, you know, they're nice and sharp.
Fast enough.
Oh yeah. That's it. A little bit of power up here. Let you know if it's all clear. At the moment, we've got one car coming, so if we just I'll tell you what, go for it. That's okay. You're far behind, so just go for it. So we're going to stay close to the left, and you can even stay in third here because we don't need to use second for this one. So we brake, stay on the left, turn it now in third, and then we're going to go back on the power. Go for it. So a little bit more power. That's good. Close to the curb on the left. Go for it. Just carrying the speed through here. Close to the left-hand side, and then just tap the brakes. Turn it now, and then back on the power. Go for it. All the way to the left, and then power down the straight. Go for it. Full power all the way. Foot down. That's it. Keep it going. Nice one. Keep it going. A bit more. Go for it. Go for it. Keep it going. Go, 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 go. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. On the brakes here. Brake down to fifth, down to fourth. Normally we can brake a bit later, but these guys are basically there. Perfect. Turn in. And pass them on the left hand side. Go for it. So on the left here. That's good. Keep it going. A bit more gas. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. There's a space there. Perfect. Good man. And up to fourth here. Nice. Keep it going. Go. Stay in fourth. And I'll brake here. Nice and hard. Down to third. Perfect. Turn in now. Good. And then back on the power. Go for it. A little bit more. Close to the right. Later from right to the outside. Close to the left here. Closer, closer, closer. And then turn in now. That's it. Keep it going. A bit more. A bit more. Left, left, left now. Flat out. Good. Foot down. Keep it going. Stay on the left. Now we're only going to go down to fourth. Okay. We're going to brake. Down to fourth. Turn in now. Back on the power. Go for it. A little bit more power. A little bit more. Straight, straight. Yeah. Just hit it nice and straight. Perfect. Stay in fourth. That's good. Balancing the throttle. Perfect. Close to the left. Hard on the brakes. Brake down to third. Stay on the left. And now turn in. That was it. That was good. Perfect. Back on the power. Close to the curve on the left. That's it. Later from wide. Close to the left hand side. And just brake here. Turn right now. Good. Back on the power. Left, left, left. Straight away. Back on the power. Go, 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 go. That's it. Nice and straight. All right. You can change a bit later, okay? Keep it going. Stay in forward. Go, 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 go. Keep it going. 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 Brake here. Brake. Down to fifth. And third. Perfect. That was it. That was good. Close to the inside. Just balancing the throttle. Close to the left now. Back on the power. Go for it. And up to fourth. That's good. Stay in fourth. And now hard on the brakes. Down to third. Perfect. Turn it now. That's it. Back on the power now a little bit. These guys will let us through. So later from wide to the side, to the left hand side here. That's good. Just go for it. Yeah, that's it. And on the power nicely. And nice and straight. Good. Up to fourth gear. That's it. That's it. Up to fifth. Keep it going. Go, go, go. And brake down to fourth. Off the brakes. Turn in. Good. Straight, straight, straight. Yeah, good. Nice. Up power. That's okay. Good. Close to the left. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Straighten it up on the exit. Close to the left now. Hard on the brakes. Brake down to third. Perfect. Turning in. That's it. Back on the power. Nice one. Straighten it here. Over the curve. That's it. Close to the left. And just brake it. Brake. Turn right now. Back on the power. Just third is okay. You don't need to go down to second there. And then full power. Good. Just let it get to the blue, okay? Keep it going. Go, 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 go. You can change a bit later. Keep it going. Wait, 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 wait. Fifth gear. Nice one. Keep it going. And hard on the brakes. Down to fourth. Down to third. Perfect braking. That's good. Turn in. I think we're going to pass these guys on the left, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Pass on the left. Go for it. We got one more lap, okay? Up to fourth gear. Keep it going. Stay on the right. Hard on the brakes. Good. Down to third. Nice and good. We're going to turn in now. and back on the power. That's it. Yeah, that's okay. Back on the power. Close to the right, all the way to the left. Closing in on the left here, and just a quick lift turn in just to help. That's good. Let it run wide, straight, straight, straight. Up to 4. Keep going. That's it. Keep it going. Nice and down the left hand side. Keep it going. Go, 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 go. And brake down to 4. Turn in now. Good. And back on the power. Go for it. Power straight in now. Perfect. That's it. Good. Keep it going. That's it. Yes. Close to the left. Hard on the brakes. Down the third. Turn it now. That's good. Back on the power. You can let it run wide a little bit. And just giving it a bit more power through here. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. That's it. Close to the left. And tap the brakes down there. Turn in. Turn in. Power now. Power. Go for it. Power. Straight away. That's it. And just let it run wide. Awesome. Wait. 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 That's it. Keep it going. That's it. Okay. I'm going to brake a bit earlier here. Okay. So brake down. That's it. Down to 5th. Just down to 5th. That's good. Perfect. That's fine. Now we're going to go back into the pits. Okay. So pull it down around here. Just into the pits now. Nice. Very good. That was it.
Excellent.
Awesome car, isn't
Yeah.
it? So
This
cool.
car gives you the most confidence.
Oh
that
yeah,
in the
for sure,
corner. Yeah.
for sure. Yeah, we were going the fastest, braking the latest.
Yeah.
Very good. You know, you were,
Yeah.
you know, the small little mistake, like turning in a bit too late into this
Yeah.
corner. You fixed that straight away, and this last lap was perfect. You know,
Yeah.
very good. Best driver of the day for sure.
Yeah, I pay a lot on the Gran Turismo.
Nice. It shows. It's clearly helping.
At least the basic knowledge.
Exactly.
The braking corner
No, that's
and the
it. You know,
feeling of the car.
it all helps genuinely,
Yeah.
especially these days. You know, if you play on a simulator, it's,
Yeah.
it helps a lot.
I didn't pay the direct drive one, but
No.
I paid
No, but it's- yeah.
a TGT.
Yeah, exactly.
The fun.
Just here is fine. Perfect. Yeah, we'll stop it here. Amazing. Dude, listen. Excellent driving. Very good.